What is going on YouTube? I know you guys saw in the last video that we did the valve cover on the daily. See, the background's a little different. A few things changed for the better, and it's going to benefit the channel and benefit us as son. We got the beauty sitting over there. My girl went and got some E85 for that right there. So bright out here. Focus on the camera. Focus. Nope. But anyways, yeah. So we got some E85 for this thing, and she's pulling up right now with some E and some lunch. This thing has been at E85 for a little bit, so went ahead and got 6 gallons of E85 to put in this baby. We got a bunch of parts for this car, so we gotta do some work on this thing in today's video. But here's that one. There's that one. We living up, baby. That's heavy. Whew. All right. Push down. Let's hear it. Oh yeah. This thing was out of fuel for sure. Let's go ahead and fill it up. Drink up, baby. Drink up. Oh yeah. Very well needed. This E85 that was in the car anyways was really old. So, let's get this thing filled up. I know you remember in the last video I talked about how the PCV valve broke on the gold car when I was trying to take it out to do the valve cover on it. I had one in this one, obviously, so we're gonna go pick one of those up, and I want to get some spark plugs in this thing, so I'm gonna pull one out so we can make sure I get the right plug, because I don't remember what plug we have in these. I think they're BKR7Es, but I just want to be sure. BKR7Es. Dang, look at that gap on these things. You can see it in the camera. Focus. There we go. Gap's down pretty good, eh? So, yeah, we're gonna throw some plugs in this thing. PCV valve. What's up, everyone? So, I had a whole video that I recorded on working on the turbo car and everything, but for some odd reason, the files got corrupted. Like, there's audio, but there's no video for some reason. I don't know what it is. I'll show you what I'm talking about, and then we'll go out to the car and I'll explain what I've done so you guys can at least be caught up, and then go from there. But we're gonna do some more stuff on it. Yeah, I don't know. I've been messing with this for a couple days trying to figure it out, and just like I said, audio but no video. So you guys see here, we got the first 4 minutes or so of the video. There's video, it's all good, you know, and then it goes over here. Alright, so I got that spark plug pulled out. You can hear it's got audio. Got a couple things right here, like I said, but there's no video. Valve for it, so we can turn. And I mean, there's the whole, all this here, no footage at all, just audio. I've tried to format a different way. I've tried a bunch of different things, but it just don't work. So, but all through this area here, there's everything needed, you know. So, what I'm gonna do, we'll go outside and just break down what we did, and so you guys will see all these clips and stuff too. That what is good, and then go from there. So, yeah. First thing first is we threw a new set of spark plugs in it, BKR7Es, because the ones that were in there have been in there for a while. Put a new PCV valve in it because the one broke on the daily, so I had to take the one off the turbo car. You guys remember that in the previous video. So I went ahead and got a new PCV valve for it, threw new plugs in it. Also picked up a 3-port MAC valve and a new oil pressure gauge, because I think the one in my car right now isn't working, for the simple fact that it goes to 100 and stays at 100 and doesn't move from there. So I got a new one for it and a 3-port MAC valve. And in the bag here, I got some shrink wrap, wire, and some hose, so we can set all this stuff up. So that was supposed to be in the next video. I was going to be starting to do all this stuff, but dealing with this video stuff not working, yeah, kind of set me back, but it's all good. Now let's go to the car and show you what else we did. Also went ahead and sanded this door down and got this door with a layer of primer on it. So obviously I didn't do the door handles because I want to tape around it and sand them a little better, and then we're going to paint these black. And I want to clean the paint in here, so I'm not sure if I'm just going to take the whole handle off the car and clean it right, and then this stripping here, I want to take them off and go ahead and peel all this black stuff off, so we can go ahead and paint these black as well. And then we're going to redo these, and then when that's off, I can do here, get the mirrors off, same concept there. But we're going to get that done as well. The new spark plugs in it, and we were messing with the tune and stuff on it, because gosh, this thing looks so good. We're messing with the tune a little bit on it because the car's breaking up when it goes into boost, and shouldn't be doing that. It's like falling on his face, not really breaking up. I don't know if there's a boost leak somewhere or whatnot, so I was gonna go ahead and go through all the clamps and everything, make sure everything is tight so there's no boost leaks or nothing. But yeah, that's pretty much what we did in the last video. So this is kind of just breaking it down and stuff, so this might be a little short of a video, but I'm gonna go ahead and get it all imported and everything, and hopefully it works now, and get it edited so we can post it for you guys. But yeah, scenery's a little different, I know, but there's the car. That's what we did. Yeah, I'm sorry, but I think I got it figured out now. I think a setting got changed on the phone that I'm using to record. But if y'all did enjoy this video, be sure to hit that thumbs up button. If you're not yet subscribed, please consider subscribing to the channel. We got a lot of things in the works for that car and for that car. So thank you guys for watching, thank you for subscribing, and we'll catch you on the next one. Peace out, and God bless.